What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be reviving Project Bed Rail and discuss plans on how to set up a rear axle for this. Now, as you can see, it's been sitting out for a long time, so we're going to have to do some cleaning up, maybe clean the carburetor and put a new exhaust system on here. If you're wondering why I'm out of breath, this thing's pretty heavy. Got this battery here I'm going to try and rig up to put there because it's got top posts, and then I got some positive and negative cables, and that way I can wire it to a switch. We don't have to keep shorting across everything. I'm gonna start with that, and then we'll discuss the rear end like I was talking about earlier. All right, let's see. I think I had a battery set up before. I think this was my positive, and I had a negative somewhere. Might have to find it. I also need to tighten this down when I go to start it. These bolts seem to be coming loose on me. If I were a negative, where would it be? Because these two wires are my start wires. Might have to make another one. We'll see. Okay, got that positive wired up. I'm gonna go ahead and find a ground, and we'll see if this thing got juice. Alrighty, it's time for the moment of truth. Definitely got power, but that starter's sticking. Try it again. Okay. Wonder if this thing still got some life in it. It does, indeed. Now that I know our rigged up method's gonna work, toggle switch, and let's put a muffler on this thing. Well, muffler, just an exhaust. Just got this piece that I used to have on it. Just dump it straight on the ground right here. I think it'll work for now. These are welds I've done 3 years ago, so don't judge. All we care about is this part up here. All right, cover everybody. All right, we'll call it good enough because this building's pretty flammable. But it's on there. Threw it up there that way in case all this flammable stuff, it backfires out of there. Also, I found a pretty good spot to put the fuel tank right there. Let's see if it'll start up for us. Let me wire it up to a toggle switch. All right, let's try it again. Definitely not happy. spitting out mud daubers. Starter's not happy either. It's flooding to death, so I'm gonna grab a screwdriver. Well, carburetor might need cleaned, and fuel system needs buttoned down, but rear axle and stuff and throttle pedal should be good to go. Probably the next payday or so, I'm gonna look into getting that live axle kit and a sprocket for it. Sprocket for the front as well. Just press it on there, and hopefully we'll have a running, really awkward, probably really slow go-kart. But it's been years in the making. So guys, until next time, I'll see ya. Also, if you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more. And more of this riggery we got right here that, you know, works. So, it's fine.